Alright, so basically what's going to happen this week is that we're going to be splitting the class into two teams. One team will be working with me on learning how to use the cameras and the tripods and the microphones, just like the actual filming equipment. And the other team will be on their own working with the video editing software. Okay, so the keyword there is on your own. So these videos are set up to follow along, basically, so I can be in two places at once. All right, so if you have any questions, or you need to pause the video, like that's your main tool. Okay, so if you need to stop at any point in time because it's going too fast or whatever, do that. If it's something where you need to stop it so that you can Google search how to do something, do that. Okay, but I will not be available for questions as you're going through this stuff. Okay, so this first video here is really going to be like how to set up your project and how to get everything else going. So we're going to be doing a practice hype video for the football team's pregame from Friday night. I went out there with a GoPro and shot like 20 minutes of footage, and so I'm going to show you how to bring that into Final Cut Pro during this video. Okay, so let me go ahead and quit out of this. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do, alright, is you need to go into Final Cut Pro. It will either be down here in the dock, okay, or if you can't find it there, you're going to click on the magnifying glass up here in the upper right hand corner, and you're going to type in Final for Final Cut Pro, and then just hit enter, and then it's going to start to open. When it opens, it will likely open on whatever project was most recently done. Alright, so before you freak out or do anything at this point, because it's probably not the same computer that you used before, you're going to go up to this top toolbar up here. Alright, next to Final Cut Pro, it says File. You're going to click on that, and you're going to create a new event. Okay, you want a new event for this. Okay, you're going to name your event with your name and football practice. Alright, the library doesn't matter. You do want to have new project checked, and then you want all of these settings to match. So you want the video to be 1080, okay, not any of these other ones, 1080. You want the frame rate to be 30, and then you want the rendering to be Apple ProRes 4444. Okay, so if you need to pause and make sure those settings are correct, go ahead and do so, and then you're just going to hit OK. All right. Once you hit OK, you're going to see you have no media imported, and you have no project title. Okay, so what we want to do here, all right, is, so we've got this untitled project. Okay, I'm going to click on the untitled project, and I'm going to name it Neri Hype Video Practice. I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see it changes the name down here in the middle. Okay, so that's how you set your project up. All right, so just open up Final Cut Pro. You're going to create a new event, and then you're going to create a new project. Okay, in the next video, I will show you how to get the footage and other media that we need into Final Cut Pro.